Welcome to today's video. Designs generated by Leonardo AI are ideal for print-on-demand and t-shirt design. Take this design I created, a horse running art. This will readily compete with the horse-themed t-shirts that sell on Amazon every day. My design can be uploaded and sold on Amazon merch. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find a marketable niche for print-on-demand, how to use Leonardo AI for free to generate AI images that are perfect for t-shirts, and how to submit your designs with the correct keywords. To determine what is selling on Amazon, you must first identify a general niche or topic. This could include animals, gadgets, pets, or even an event such as Halloween. There are numerous niche concepts. I'll Google a list of keywords on Google Keywords, and I'll probably choose the cat. The next step is to go to Amazon and search for horse t-shirts to get a better analysis of what type of horse-related designs are selling, so you can create something comparable using the AI tools I'm going to reveal in this video. Let's examine this item here. Bright contemporary horse art. This has 15 reviews and is listed as the Amazon choice. This shirt is selling exceptionally well. Let's try copying this image on Leonardo AI without providing any additional information in the prompt. Okay, let's now move to Leonardo AI and start creating our designs for Amazon merch. The first step is to gain access to Leonardo AI. For this, type Leonardo AI in Google Chrome and you will see it here. This is where this website will open. Either you go directly to app activation or you confirm that you are on the whitelist. If not, please provide your name and email address and submit it. So once you receive the mail, you will be required to complete out and submit a priority access form from Leonardo AI. And after submitting it via the Launch app, you will have access to your account. This is the interface in which you will be required to operate and create your images. On the AI interface, a trick I use to obtain exceptionally excellent merch designs is to visit the homepage of Leonardo AI and enter t-shirt. Here you can view the t-shirt designs created by the community and the corresponding prompt. For instance, I will replicate this design and modify it as necessary to suit my niche. In this instance, I will substitute the word horse with the pop art horse and eliminate this phrase from the prompt. Now, these designs make excellent t-shirts. Every day or every 8 hours, you receive 50 credits, and each image you generate costs 1 to 5 credits per generation. After a while, you will receive an email requesting that you sign in to Amazon and check out this t-shirt, which I believe is made entirely by Leonardo AI. Now let's check further t-shirt designs that we can replicate easily for print on demand. Let's copy the prompt and replace the cat with a horse, just as that Amazon seller did. And now take a look at these results. The last one in particular appears to be so spotless for a t-shirt, and the first image is also excellent. Only the background color seems inappropriate for the image, which you can obviously change in the prompt if you don't like it. Suppose you are pleased with the image and wish to remove the background. You can do so by selecting this icon to remove the background, then select the image without a background and download it. You can also improve image quality. T-shirt designs must be of exceptional quality. Then, there are a few additional tasks I can do here as seen in this pop-up window. There is the upgrade upscaling icon available here. If you choose the first option, this will be an upgrade. You can obtain a version that is smoother. If I scale it up to a smoother variant, the result is a smoother appearance. It appears much more beautiful. And here you can observe the difference. If you go here, you'll find the original image. And here you'll find the HD version, smoother and upscale after upscaling. I have this image and I may also choose this crisp upscaling option. Therefore, once you are happy with the picture, you can simply select this download option to save the image to your computer. Similarly, you can generate any image from a Leonardo AI image. Download the image without its background by selecting the original image and clicking the download button. This will be printed on a t-shirt, and someone will wear it. Try to create the finest designs imaginable. And voila, you now have a t-shirt design that has been proven to sell. Additionally, do not limit yourself to t-shirt designs. On Etsy, there is a big demand for print-on-demand t-shirt designs as well. For instance, they are a very popular product. I will type animal t-shirt designs, and here, see this monkey business funny slogan, animal headphones t-shirt designs getting 5K reviews, which is selling extremely well. This t-shirt has unquestionably been sold at least 65000 times. In my experience, 10% of customers leave reviews on average. Why limit yourself to Amazon merch only? Starting a pod business with Etsy is easy as well, and setting up an account is simple and fast. When you want to create a design with Leonardo AI, such as this copy bar, seek for an adorable sticker in the community feed. And let's use this image as a prompt. This first design looks okay as a sticker, but I'm not particularly fond of this artistic manner. Let's seek out another prompt, okay? Let's adopt this horse design and modify the prompt accordingly. And this is a very positive design. This is ideal for use as animal art designs. Next strategy is to sell AI art as posters on a website with 5 million monthly visitors called Redbubble. Demand for animal posters is an excellent income opportunity to sell some AI designs. Type animal art on the search bar to see what is the most popular. As you can see, it is not difficult to create a good design using AI, for instance. This is a very good design, which can be replicated using Leonardo AI. Let's say you decide to replicate this kingfisher design. Therefore, type a kingfisher and search for an image that can serve as a prompt to Leonardo AI, and boom, there you have it. You can now use the image itself as the prompt by selecting image to image. Here you can view the selected image as the prompt, as well as the image dimensions needed to accommodate a poster. And while this isn't a terrible result after only one attempt, don't neglect to experiment with various art styles to achieve the best results. You're allotted 160 credits every 8 hours, and you're allowed to use any image at the rate for commercial purposes. The following designs you can create with Leonardo AI are patterns that can be sold on various print-on-demand products and platforms, primarily on Redbubble, Etsy, and Amazon. You want to test the design creation process with different niches and focus on those ones that work well for you. I searched pattern on Redbubble and sorted the results by best-selling. Let's see what's going on. For example, this monkey business art print design on this t-shirt appears great. Therefore, return to Leonardo AI and search for this sign pattern to receive results from users who have already created similar designs. Replicate the prompt, and you will get your design. This is not a terrible outcome. Don't forget to experiment with various prompts until you generate a design that is identical to the original best-selling design. Now, in order to upload your pattern design to Redbubble, you must take an additional action. Consider the phone case product as an illustration. Come here to edit, then navigate slightly down. You will then be able to scale the image according to your preferences. Amazon remains the greatest marketplace to sell patterns, particularly on phone cases. This phone case generates thousands of sales with its simplistic design. This occurred only a few months ago. The majority of users on Merged by Amazon only sell t-shirts. The other products also have enormous potential. Now that it is time to upload pattern designs to your merch account. If I enlarge this image and place it on a phone case, you will see that it is ideal for a phone case. Now, one of the most essential steps is to include keywords, your brand name, and bullet points. Your designs will never be displayed to customers if you use ineffective keywords. Now, I prefer to use the bullet elements on ChatGPT to get the list of keywords to use. That's a free tip from me to get your pod business up and running. Simply review the first bullet points of the best-selling designs and enter in ChatGPT to rewrite this or get list of keywords. Now for the description, I simply copy-paste the keyword and ask ChatGPT to expand it, and this will generate an automated description using the title, brand, and bullets. You can implement the same keyword strategy across all print-on-demand marketplaces. If you're a new visitor to my channel, please like and subscribe for more content on the AI revolution and how to build your business using AI automation. See you in the next video.